So let's just first start. This is for like everybody that's new, to get you up to par so that you do have some questions, okay? So the first thing is, in order to get in here, you have to get qualified. We know that. Okay. Now, to get qualified, I want to tell you about qualified because some of you all are like using the free service from Quest, and this is what it takes to get qualified, okay? I'm about to just show you. In order to get qualified, you number one have to be 18 years of age, okay? That's number one. Okay? Then you also have to do, I'm just going to call it, I'm just going to say training. Is that how you spell training? I think so. Am I missing something? Training. Okay? Okay, how I just stopped there. I told you it's been a day. Training with a trainer. Okay? So you have to get trained by a trainer. So you have to get training with a trainer. What that training consists of is just you learning what is in the CFR 49 Part 40. Okay? You're going to learn this. And then you're also going to do what's called 5 mocks. So I just want to explain you what you get. So what you get when you go to that free Quest, that free Quest is you just get this, but no trainer. You'll get a training packet, right? But no trainer. The reason why a lot of people was running in 2023 and today is because it's free. But even though it's free, you still have to do this part. Like you still have to do your 5 mocks with a person. So I would tell you, just bypass Quest and get a person. Because if what's happening too, I've seen this because I've had people come to me, but I don't, that's not how we train. But I've had people come to me too from Quest. And now when it's time to do the 5 mock exam, they don't understand anything because it's harder to understand when you're just reading. You know what I'm saying? Now you come, it's time to do your 5 mocks and you're like, oh, can I reschedule because you're not prepared? But you want us to give you the other part, but you didn't pay for that part. So you might as well just get the whole thing if you can find a trainer. A good trainer. Inbox me. I'll tell you some trainers' names. Okay? That's what it takes to get in. That's just what it takes to get in.